selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam.
Today we're gonna open this boxes.
Yes, we're going to have an unboxing.
Hey, not
with
mine.
2 packages. And we're going to do the first one, okay?
This one. I'm
What
gonna
is
pick
that?
I don't know.
Alright.
It says what? Type
Yes.
Boya me. What is
Yes,
that?
this is microphone for camera. Okay?
I'm
Gonna
gonna
open
take those
this.
scissors, okay? Yeah.
Yes. We haven't prepared the scissors. Wait, okay?
Put them in the comments.
Put that in the comments. Right? Oh, this is really good packaging. It's so difficult to open.
If you want to open it, put it in the comments too, okay? Just like the video.
Just like the video.
Just like the YouTube.
Just like a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Nicholas already knows YouTube videos.
Okay, so here it is. Oopsie.
Alright? So because this I buy this online, so there's the invoice, alright?
Boya me.
So what do we have here?
Let me see. I want to see the back.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
So this is Boya BYM1 microphone. Okay, so we're going to open it.
Wait, Daddy. Let's just open this first.
No. We're not doing that. To open that later, yeah? One by one. Right, so what do we
I'm
have?
gonna hold this, okay?
Yes.
What
Alright.
is this?
So first we have the
Instructions?
manuals. Yes, instruction. And then we
Cable?
have,
The cable.
what is this? What do you have that?
You don't need that.
And this is
Wait.
the microphone and the cable.
Where's the microphone?
This is the microphone. So this is a very small microphone.
Wow. I thought it was a big microphone.
Alright.
And these. This is for the microphone, right?
Yes, you can open it. And the cable length, I think, is
Oh, we can do scissors. Oopsie.
6 meters. It's quite long,
What is?
right?
Wow.
The length of the cable. So this cable is 6 meters. Nanti kita akan coba ya. We're going to try this later, and we're going to compare with and without the microphone. Currently, we're using Canon EOS M6. The camera is using Canon EOS M6. And we're going to try. This one is without any microphone. So later we're going to try with microphone. Okay. So what else do we have, Sam?
Here.
Nah, this is the clip-on. The clip-onnya ya. So we're going to put this like here. Alright. And then this is
For the microphone.
For the microphone, this is the
What is this?
windshield. It's the windshield. Okay. We're going to put this here.
Yeah, like that. So hard because it's like plastic plates. It looks
It's like this. Okay. And we have an audio connector.
Oh,
What is this
another
called?
thing.
This is called connector. Alright.
And this too, Daddy. I don't know what this is.
Oh, this is the battery.
Oh, battery.
Yes, this is the battery. We're going to put it in here. Okay.
Wow,
Let's give
the
it a
place
try.
for the battery is more bigger than the microphone. Cool, right? I mean, dots.
Right. So let's zoom in.
Zoom! Wait, Daddy! Zoom! Huh?
Zoom, 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 zoom. There it is.
Okay. Zoom in. Why is it like that? Like this. Okay.
Yeah. Just perfect.
We'll see. Open this one.
And I'm gonna hold the battery. So it can-
And here's the battery. And put it inside.
This?
Where's the negative and positive? Let me check.
Negative?
This is positive. And
Negative.
this one is negative.
So you can write this?
Is it?
I don't know.
You can see it here. This is positive. No. I'm showing you. This is positive.
Okay.
This one is negative.
Okay.
Okay. So positive should be facing this way. Right? And then we put it back.
In and close it. Like that.
Alright. And open the cable.
What is this? You don't need to open this one?
No.
I
Just
know
the
it.
strap. Only the strap.
Swap.
Alright. And I think it's ready to be
Used.
ready to use. Okay? We're going to pause the video first and then we're going to use with a microphone.
Let's pause! Daddy say! So we can clap our hands to pause.
I think it's locked.
Hello? Hello, testing, testing. Is there a... Hello, testing, testing. Is there a difference? And... already
Alright, let's do
connected.
this
I don't know what to say, Daddy.
Alright, this time we're going to use the microphone. This is connected to the camera. And testing.
Hello, testing, testing. Hello, testing, testing.
That's okay, you can use it. This is testing. This is testing. And next, without the microphone, okay?
Hello, testing, testing. Hello, testing, testing.
Alright, next is without the microphone. This microphone is not connected. So testing, testing. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Testing, testing. Alright. So that's the difference with and without the microphone. Okay.
A little small microphone. Hi.
Bye-bye.
Okay, itu dia tadi testing kita. So this one is connected right now to the camera. Tes.
Hello.
Yes. Mudah-mudahan ini bisa bermanfaat buat teman-teman siapapun yang menonton video ini. So ini harganya cukup murah. Boya BY M1. Saya ngelihatnya di online shop. Saya carinya yang paling murah, harganya cuma 160 ribuan plus apa namanya? Murah banget.
160 ribu kan?
Itu murah. Oh iya, murah iya. Tapi bisa cukup bermanfaat untuk kalau misalnya teman-teman sedang mempertimbangkan untuk membeli mikrofon yang murah meriah. And the good thing also is it has a pouch.
This
Yes.
small
Alright.
pouch.
Okay, so that's our video this morning. Thank you so much for your attention. Thanks for watching us.
Bye.
Yes, put it in the comments.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.
And see you next time at our video.
Good job.